Hi, so this video is if you have purchased my balloon garland mock-up for Canva tutorial. So this is the pack that you will receive. It has all of these balloon garlands and clusters and walls that you can just drag and drop your own balloons or balloons that I do have available as well on my website, which will be linked down below. So you can look at all these items and see which ones you get. All you have to do is literally drag and drop your balloon right into the preset template already made. So what I'm going to show you now is the arrangements. This arrangement page is number 8 on the first edition. So you will have all these arrangements and then this one that we're going to create now. So this one I just copied and paste from this Mickey Mouse head. I copied it, I pasted it below, and I'm going to ungroup it just for now, just to make it easier for design purposes. So I'm going to ungroup this. I'm going to take the Mickey Mouse head off, and what I'm going to do is create my own. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to create your own balloon garland using Canva Pro or a website called remove.bg, or of course you can use Photoshop or whatever platform you use to erase backgrounds. So if I am a balloon artist, I'm setting up an arrangement and I'm going to zoom in for you guys. So the arrangement that I'm going to set up is going to be a race car kind of theme. And I'm going to put, different balloons here. So I'm going to use one of this champion trophy balloon. I'm just going to go to a picture that has a white background from the display. And I think this one's probably better. The same picture, just one has wording. I'm going to drag it into Canva. And now only if you have Canva Pro, you will be able to erase the background. Oh, so I can't drag it into Canva. First, I have to take it away from Amazon or screenshot it. I'm just going to screenshot it and bring it to my desktop. So once I bring it to my desktop, then I'll be able to bring it to Canva. Now, that's only for the Canva app. I don't know. On your phone, you can just screenshot it and bring it right in. I'm on my desktop, so they don't let you bring it into the internet onto Canva. You have to bring it to your computer. So I'm going to edit image now. Again, this is for if you have Canva Pro. If not, I'm going to show you a free way of how to delete your background. So you're going to go to edit image and you click background remover. And again, this is only if you have Canva Pro. So it will erase the background. I'm going to now show you how to use remove.bg to open up a new tab on the internet and go to remove.bg. And all you do is literally drag and drop your picture. So I'm going to use a different balloon just to make it easier. I'm just going to show you on this one. So if I'm using this balloon, I'm just going to screenshot this picture. I'm going to go to remove.bg and drag it right into the website. It will automatically delete the background. You can also go to edit and do the same thing as in Canva Pro, where you can restore and erase things that you need to. So if it erased too much or too little, if you want to erase something else that it didn't get, like this little handle, this little air bubble, whatever they're called, or if you want to bring that back, you can just click to restore. So this is how you would use that. After you do that, you click download. It will download the image, and then you can use that image to bring right into Photoshop by just dragging. To Canva, I'm sorry. And now what I can do is make it smaller. I'm going to put my trophy at the top. I'm going to move some of these clusters, these little ones. If I need more, I'll get some more. Now, I do have to figure out what color I'm going to make this. I think instead of the yellow, little clusters right here. I think I'm going to change those clusters into white. Or actually this color right here. It's like a grayish color. This is the one I have available, so I'm just going to use this one. Actually, what if I do... No. I'm going to keep it. So I'm just dragging one of the balloons that I have already. Now, again, if you don't have the balloon pack, the PNG pack, you can get that on my website, or you can make your own balloons by doing the same method that I just did for, you know, the foil balloon. You could just get a color or get a balloon online and search for, you know, whatever color you're using for your setup and do the same exact thing. Screenshot it, and then you can remove your background, and just once you have it as an image, you can just drag and drop. Or again, you could purchase all the balloon pack that's available, the PNGs that's available. So I'm going to put the trophy here now that I changed the colors. And then I'm going to go back to Amazon. And now, of course, these are whatever you're purchasing, what balloons you're purchasing. I just chose these because they're here, and, you know, maybe it's easier. Once you have a picture of it, it's easy just to use for your display. So I think what would be cool if we put, maybe a number 1. We'll do this as going to be like a full big arrangement. So I'm going to screenshot this one. And I'm just going to drag it into Canva. And I'm going to do the same thing. Edit image. And then background remover. Oh, dang it. So now right here, you can see it erased the white lines that were like the track. So if you go to restore, you're able to just restore that line. Now, of course, if it's something less complicated, like this was super easy, you know, you'll just have to go in closer, to zoom in, or erase, you know, change your brush size. You can go to erase, which I'm going to do right here, change my brush size, and just erase these little hoops. Just to make it less. Okay. So I'm going to click done. And now I can use that number 1. So I'm going to put the 1 there. I'm going to slant this. And the last thing I'm going to do is grab some checkerboard balloons right here. I think this is like an orbs one. Let me see, is it circle, like a full circle? Yeah, that one's cool. So I'm gonna grab these circle ones. I'm just gonna screenshot it and bring it to Canva, drag it into Canva. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Edit image and background remover. And I'm just setting it to back, setting it backwards. I'm still gonna go back. I'm gonna just do fully to the back. trouble. Okay, this is fine. I'm going to grab one of these little clusters and put them here. But I think I'm going to change. No, yeah, I'm going to put them here. I'm going to change them to red to bring in a little bit of red. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer. And I'm just adding little tiny balloons just to give it some depth. Of course, you know, your design's going to be different, whichever one you're doing. And I'm just going to drag a balloon right into these spaces. I'm going to do a little mix. Okay. And then you have your new arrangement. So you can just drag over it and group it. Now, if you're showing this to a client, you can just go to page number 9 and create your own design space for your client to see, or for you to have as for your own work board. So how you would do that is just paste it on, and you can add your text. And whatever information you would need to do. A price quote, what's included, so on and so forth. That way you would have a pretty good big layout for your client to see what you're looking for, and just for you to have for your own. You could list the balloon colors that you're going to use, so on and so forth. So this is going to be the balloon arrangement. There's also a little series for different, you just change different things. Thank you so much for watching. There's definitely some links down below of different items you can use, or different ways to change your balloon garlands and arrangements and so on and so forth. Thank you so much. Happy designing.